And then the last one, which was MarkItDown. And I've sort of been on a bit of a journey in terms of Docs as code, right? And trying to being able to have Markdown, obviously fabulous when you're working in GitHub and things, because it makes it easy to read. You can do it via your code editor, all that good stuff, right? When you have projects that generate a large amount of documents, trying to bring that into the same environment, the same ecosystem becomes difficult, right? If you've got PDFs, if you've got Word documents, you've got sort of collateral smattered all over the place. And I need to try it. MarkItDown is one of these things that anyone could use, right? So whether we're doing this podcast, for example, or whether you've got research documents, to your point earlier, Richard, it's a Python tool that can convert almost any file, which I'm like, ooh, interesting, into usable Markdown. So I'm like, ooh. And I'm pretty sure they say, right, I said PDFs and Words. I think things like PowerPoints, perhaps even spreadsheets, cool. And then HTML, I can understand that a bit better because that's already structured, right? Or images with embedded text. I was like, really? Can you do this? So I'm absolutely going to play with it because I've not had the opportunity yet. But, you know, if it gives you sort of structured Markdown that you can drop straight into GitHub or Notion or whatever your flavor tool of choice, or even straight into an LLM pipeline, right? It will normalize all those messy inputs for you. So again, you're not relying on the LLM to interpret what a Word document is. You're relying on it to look at something structured that's in a Markdown, right? And that, again, there's going to be benefits in that because there's obviously a translation step that it does when it does lag against a document.